Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A80 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on language and region, and here we've got the list of currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on edit, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so simply find yours and tap on this plus icon next to it, so for example Turkish in my case. Tap on yes to confirm, and as you can see, after getting back to the top of the list, you can see that the Turkish language has been immediately applied to the list. It is at the top right now. And the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, you can quickly reorder them to change the system language. Just tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. I believe we have to tap on this option to change it, and as you can see, from now on the English is applied. So if you want to remove the languages from this list, tap on edit, and here we have to tap on this minus icon. After getting back, you can see that you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.